Hello and Assalamu alaikum and welcome to the presentation of Group 57 of ICT. We are the family of 10 members as you can see on the screen. My name is Sayyid Muhammad Ahad and today I am going to explore artificial intelligence, which is known as AI. In today's topic, the contents are definitions of AI, and then we will go through the some of early history of it, and then we will discuss current status of artificial intelligence, and then we will discuss some of the challenges of artificial intelligence, and then we will have some conclusion. So what is AI? An artificial intelligence is the simulation of human intelligence processes by machines, especially computer systems. Specific applications of AI include expert systems, natural language processing, speech recognition, and machine vision. In short, we can say the study of computer systems that attempts to model and apply the intelligence of the human mind, or a branch of computer science dealing with the simulation of intelligent behavior in computers or the capability of a machine to imitate intelligent human behavior. The best example that I can give is Google Now, Siri, and Cortana are all intelligent digital personal assistants on various platforms like iOS, Android, and Windows Mobile. In short, they help find useful information when we ask for it by using our voice. We can use them to make calls, send messages, send reminders, or to take notes, recognize music, and find some great restaurants in our area. Or you can check your calendar and many more. For further information about this topic, I would like to invite Mr. Mohsin Ali. So, thank you so much.
Hello, this is Mohsin Ali and I'm here to explain about the early history of artificial intelligence. In 1956, American computer scientist John McCarthy organized the Dartmouth Conference at which the term artificial intelligence was first adopted. Research centers popped up across the United States to explore the potential of artificial intelligence. Researchers like Alan Newell and Herbert Simon were instrumental in promoting artificial intelligence as a field of computer science that could transform the world. More about artificial intelligence early history is in 1951 a machine known as Mark I successfully used an algorithm to master checkers. Newell and Simon developed journal problem solver to solve mathematical problems. Also in 50s, John McCarthy, often known as the father of artificial intelligence, developed the programming language which became important in machine learning. In the 1960s, researchers developing algorithms to solve the mathematical problems, geometrical theorems. In the late 1960s, computer scientists worked on machine learning and developing machine learning in robots. Robot 1, the first intelligent humanoid robot, was first built in Japan in 1972. Now we proceed to the next slide, which is the rise of artificial intelligence. Considering the Industrial Revolution, which lasted somewhere from 60 to 80 years, some are calling the current period as the Fourth Industrial Revolution, largely expected to be driven by artificial intelligence (AI) and the data analysis. The fourth industrial revolution will be compressed into the lifespan of a beagle. This means absolutely massive changes for how we work and design processes with our work. Artificial intelligence especially is already beginning to have a large impact in recruiting and hiring. It is helpful now to look at where artificial intelligence has been, where it's at now, and where it might be going. Now, Faik Mujahid tell you about the current changes of artificial intelligence. Thank you so much.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Faik Mujahid. As previously emotionally told us about the early history and the risk of artificial intelligence, I am going to talk about the current status of AI. AI has taken many shapes and forms over the recent years. It has evolved in every aspect of technology, such as mobile phones, video games characters, GPS, voice recognition, robotics. In mobile phones, Siri is a great representative of AI. Siri is a spin-off from a project originally developed by SRI International AI Center. It uses advanced machine learning technologies to function. The software adapts to users' individual language usage, searches, and preferences. In video games, artificial intelligence is used to generate responsive, adaptive, or intelligent behaviors in non-player characters similar to human-like intelligence.
Hello, Assalamu alaikum. My name is Aisha Liaquat, and today my topic is challenges of artificial intelligence. Like my colleague Faik Mujahid told you about the current status of artificial intelligence, today I'm going to tell you about the challenges of artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence can transform almost every industry, but one of the major challenges of artificial intelligence are as given below. On number one, we have computing power. The tech industry has faced computing power challenges in the past, but the computing power necessary to process massive volumes of data to build an AI system and utilizing techniques like deep learning is unlike any other computing power challenge that has been previously faced in the tech industry. On number two, we have bias. Bias is one of the biggest challenges facing AI. Try as you might to have data that is an absolute fact, there is an inevitable bias when you explore the depths to which AI might be used. As AI systems learn to make decisions based on training data, which can include biased human decisions. On number third, we have legal issues. One of the newest challenges of artificial intelligence include the recent legal concerns being raised that organizations need to be wary of AI. For example, if AI is collecting sensitive data, it might be in violation of state or federal laws, even if the information is not harmless by itself but sensitive when collected together. On number four, we have AI human interface. The challenge here is the shortage of data science skills within humans to get maximum output from artificial intelligence. For example, as for the businesses, there is a shortage of advanced skills. Business owners need to train their professionals to be able to leverage the benefits of this technology. So this is the end of the topic. Thank you.
Hello, Assalamu alaikum. My name is Elia Batul Zaidi and my topic is artificial intelligence. As my mates already defined the main parts of artificial intelligence and its worth. So what I'm going to tell you about is, if we conclude the artificial intelligence, we can say that the artificial intelligence is the intelligence of machines and the branch of computer science that aims to create it. Artificial intelligence textbooks define the field as the study and design of intelligent agents, where an intelligent agent is a system that perceives its environment and takes action that maximize the chances of its success. John coined the term in 1955, defined as the science and engineering of making intelligent machines. Artificial intelligence in its current state is definitely an efficient tool in the software industry. It allows for a new way of thinking, coding, and provides logic for a lot of engineering problems. Last but not least, today the amount of data that is generated by both humans and machines far outpaces humans' ability to absorb, interpret, and make complex decisions based on that data. Artificial intelligence forms the basis for all computer learning and is the future of all complex decision making. Thank you.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Saeed Ahmad, and today I will share some knowledge about artificial narrow intelligence and artificial general intelligence and what is different between them. Okay, so let's begin. Artificial narrow intelligence refer to a computer's ability to perform a single task extremely. There are many examples of artificial narrow intelligence around us every day, such as self-driving cars. Yeah, self-driving cars. So now I will discuss about artificial general intelligence. Okay, so artificial general intelligence is based on the principle that machines have ability to represent human mind and can function in the similar way as human brain. So hope I hope you have understood. Now I am going to define what is different between um, traditional program and machine learning. Okay, traditional programming and machine learning. So traditional programming is that data and program is run on the computer to produce the output, and machine learning is that data and output is run on the computer to create a program. This program can be used in traditional programming. Yeah. Allah Hafiz.
Assalamu alaikum. Today I'm telling you about deep learning. Deep learning is the machines that represent the world. Deep learning is a class of machine learning, a type of machine learning. Machine learning is science of making computers learn and act like human by feeding data and information. Machine learning make decisions based on past data. There are two types of learning algorithms: supervised or labeled data, unsupervised or unlabeled data. So let's move to the next slide. So, supervised or labeled data means the data in which we know the targeted answer. For example, we know that this is the new iPhone model and we'll search further about iPhones more furthermore and same just like this and much more. This is called supervised data or labeled data. As so unsupervised data or unlabeled data is like that we have no knowledge of output. As I show you an image without telling name is unlabeled data. These are the two types of deep learning: supervised data and unsupervised data. So in this slide there is a chart which shows that in deep learning we have the training benefits for larger datasets, while in big data we have volume, variety and much more. This is all for these slides. Thank you so much.
My name is Aruj Khawar and my slide is Big Data and Deep Learning. It is associated with 3 points: volume, variety and velocity. It is massive in size with high velocity. Deep learning is a machine language technique. It teaches a computer to filter layers. Observation can be in the form of image, text and sounds. The graph in the slide show that blue lines show modification in data and red lines show that older learning with no performance. And the second slide is the deep learning process. Steps: organize issue and the best solution to fix, point out the valid data and get ready to analyze. Pick out the best way to use logarithm. Instruct logarithm with heavy amount of marked data. Check the label performance with unlabeled data. Deep learning framework. It is an interface, library or a tool which allow us to build deep learning model easily and quickly. It depends on following factors: learning curve, open source library, modify a computer are required, further engineering in build, amount of data inserted in framework.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Hafsayas. Here I am discussing the topic of artificial intelligence as productivity. In this topic, we study how we help the human use artificial intelligence productivity. Collaborative intelligence. Humans and artificial intelligence are joining forces. The values of collaboration. Companies benefits from optimizing collaboration between humans and artificial intelligence. 5 principles can help them do so. Reimagine business process. Embrace experimentation involvement. Actively direct artificial intelligence strategy, responsibly collect data, redesign work to incorporate artificial intelligence and cultivate related employee skills. A survey of 1,075 companies in 12 industries found that the more of these principles companies adopted, the better their artificial intelligence performed in terms of speed, cost savings, revenues, or optional measures. Human assisting machines. Humans need to perform three roles. They
Assalamualaikum. My name is Asha Islam, and here I am to explain something about artificial intelligence as my fellow friend also explained. First of all, I want to explain sustaining. Sustaining is something in which employers have to ensure that the artificial intelligence system are functioning safely, properly, and responsibly. Now here come the uses of artificial intelligence. First of all, I want to discuss machine language. In machine language there are two types: predictive analysis and deep learning. Machine language focuses on the development of computer program that can access data and use it to learn for themselves. Now speech recognition is text to speech or speech to text. Vision. In vision, machine can identify and look. Vision is a field of artificial intelligence that train computer to interpret and understand the visual world. Now the fourth point is NLP. NLP is language processing. NLP is the objective of NLP is to read, understand, and make sense of human language in a manner that is valuable. Now, expert system planning and optimization and robotic are also the use of artificial intelligence. Now, here come the future trends of artificial. Digital marketing, robot assistant are the future trends of artificial intelligence. Chatbots is also the future of artificial intelligence, in which chatbots make the process of automating responses to business prospects. Chatbots have the ability to answer open questions. Defense, artificial intelligence will have a role in future defense or in future military application. Cyber security, they are the first line of defense against attack. Healthcare, in comparatively field of healthcare, disease are more quickly diagnosed. Transportation and science are also the future trends of artificial intelligence. Now moving on, we have safer roads. In safer road, artificial intelligence inspired vehicles should make our roads safer, with the majority of traffic accident caused by human error. Moving to increase safety, workplace health and safety improved dramatically throughout the 20th century, but human workers still perform a range of dangerous roles. All artificial intelligence driving devices and robots will be soon able to replace human personnel in potentially dangerous situation and increase safety in the process. New jobs and industries are also the future of artificial. Moving on, we have what does artificial intelligence mean for the future of email security. Looking into the future, then it is clear that a new type of security will be needed. It will need to fill in the gaps which allow attacker to exploit both human error and security technology. This is where artificial intelligence and machines come in. Thank you.